how to change Zoom video settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change video settings in your Zoom call. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Zoom call, go to the arrow beside the video, and then click on video settings. Now here you can see various options like stop my video when joining, you can tick on it, like mirror my video, hide non-video participants, you can tick on the ones that you want, you can untick on the ones that you don't want, and then you can see use hardware acceleration for. You can either choose receiving video, sending video, or both. Similarly, you can choose video rendering method, you can choose auto, video tag, web GPU, web GL, and more. So that is how you change video settings in your Zoom call. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.